Welcome to our quick guide. The first step in this process is to integrate your email account with Automatic Email Manager. This step is a breeze, and the best part? It's compatible with any email provider you're using, whether that's Office 365, Gmail, Yahoo, Exchange, or others. For this demo, we'll create a new scenario where we add two actions: print email and print attachments. For each action, remember to select your preferred printer, which can be different for each action. To ensure we're only printing what's truly needed, let's set up a filter. In this case, we'll configure it to print only emails containing the keywords order or invoice. After setting up, approve the scenario and let Automatic Email Manager take over. It starts monitoring your inbox and processes the emails in the background quietly and efficiently. And that's it. You're all set up. Feel free to log off Windows, as the software will continue to operate in the background, handling your email printing needs without any further action required on your part.